What's up guys, my name is Diego. Welcome to my first video, and in today's video we're going to talk about order blocks. Do you know what is order blocks? If you don't know what order block is, refers to a price area on the chart where significant buy or sell orders were previously placed by large institutional traders. So if you don't know what is institutional traders, so this is the institutional traders players. The first place we have JP Morgan with a market share of 10%, almost 11% of market share. So these zones are key to identifying potential support or resistance levels, providing insights into future price movements. So let's get into deep about the market makers strategy. So this concept has a name, and the name is the smart money concept. So basically the smart money concept is this, all right? And that's a lot of strategy that personally I tested every one of this, every smart money concepts, every strategy, everything that exists in this strategy I already tested. So in today's video we're going into deep on the trading view, all right? And we go look for zones, and we are looking for trades that involves all the smart money concepts to you guys just see how it is. Let's go to trading view right now. All right, let's go. Let's put in 3 minutes. All right, 3 minutes. And let's looking for order blocks. And what is that? Look this, man. That is on order block here. Did you see this candle right here? This candle. All right, so the price has going down and return it for where? To the order block. This thing here is an order block, and you can see this right here. The price got tested 2 times here, so got tested here and here, and this happens all the day. This happens on the market. You can look here, one here. Look at this, man. Like your sell right here. Look this is an order block. You can trade order blocks, but keep on mind that your risk return needs to be at least 3 to 1. 3 to 1 needs to be your your risk return. All right, so let's see. Let's looking for order block. You can see buy trade right here in this order block here, and you can see this one right here in this order block here. So that's a lot of order blocks that you can trade. All right, personally I have tested this order block so many times, but I'm not profitable yet. Just with this, I'm not profitable. All right, so you need to do all the things, all the smart money concepts that will make you profitable. All right, only this can make you lose money and can make you win money. All right, in the same thing, you can lose, you can gain money. All right, so sorry for my bad English. I'm not good at English, but I can explain this for you. So click a thumbs up and let's continue the video. So let's see other blocks, you can see one other block here. That's another one right here. And look at this other block here, man. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude. Look at this. So if you enjoyed this video, click a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, just subscribe to the channel to receive all the videos that are posted. And thank you so much. I see you soon. Bye.